Samsung's GoodLock is probably one of the most powerful customization tools for Samsung Galaxy smartphones. If you can't find it in the Galaxy store, go to your Play Store and look for GoodLock. You'll see something called as NiceLock. Install that, and once you're done, open it up and you'll see all the modules that are not installed. The good news is you can just tap on each one of these, download independent modules and have them installed. It's really simple. Tap on whatever you want to install. It'll give you a link to a support thread. Click on it and it'll open a page, and there's going to be a link called Downloader Companion website. Over there, again, you get access to whichever module you want to install. Since I wanted to install Lockstar, I'll just tap on it, and then it'll give me some links to download the APK, which is an installation file. So I'm just going to go and click on the top one, which is probably the latest one that's in the queue. And then on the next page, scroll down to a button that says Download APK. This is the installation file for Samsung Lockstar specifically. Download it, and then it'll give you the option to open file. If you missed that notification, just pull down your notification panel and you'll see that it has downloaded a file right there. Go ahead to settings and then allow from this source for just once. Go back and it'll give you the option to install. It'll barely take 4 to 5 seconds, and once it's done, go back to NiceLock and then you will see that Lockstar is actually installed. Of course, the first time it's going to ask you for certain permissions. Go ahead and you'll see that you now get the ability to edit your lock screen, and that is GoodLock working for you. And it's really that simple. Let's go ahead and install one more, Task Changer. So you open the support thread, you go on to the Downloader Companion website, and then look for Task Changer, the third one. Once you hit, go scroll down and you'll see the option to download the latest APK file. It'll take you to a page where you'll have that button which says Download APK, and then the file will get downloaded after you hit that download button. Again, open the file, it'll ask for installation, 4 to 5 seconds, it's done. Go back to NiceLock and you'll see that it's installed. And obviously now I can launch it and I can change my recent apps style to whatever I want. So yeah, again, whatever module from GoodLock you want, you can just tap on it and follow this process, and you can install as many of these as you want, of course, depending upon your need. And that's it, guys. If you're unable to find GoodLock in the Galaxy store, this is a great alternate way. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment them in the section below. I'll see you in the next one.